How to fix keyboard typing multiple letters at once in Windows. 1. Check your keyboard. Use a different one if you can. And clean your keyboard if needed. 2. Restart your PC. 3. Run keyboard troubleshooter. 4. Adjust keyboard's character repeat delay. 5. Run antivirus on your PC. To do so, try using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 6. Update keyboard drivers using the recommended Avast Driver Updater in this video guide. 7. Check keyboard language settings, use your preferred language.